Low-flow, high-efficiency showerheads use on average less than half the water of a standard showerhead, while maintaining a powerful flow. Save water and reduce your electricity bill without compromising their water pressure. You are used to features. Easy to install. Compatible with the TSV adapter. Meets ANSI or ASMF A1 12.18.1M standards. 4 spray settings: saturated, massage, bubble and combo. Less stress on your septic system. Fits most standard shower arms. Greenlite shower heads are produced and manufactured by Greenlite Lighting Corporation. Key details about the company and products include: manufacturer, Greenlite Lighting Corporation, often branded as Greenlite Lighting Corporation USA. Greenlite Lighting Corporation USA. Greenlite Lighting Corporation USA. Background. While originally focusing on lighting, Greenlite has expanded to become a manufacturer and distributor of energy efficiency products, including water-saving shower heads, often partnering with utilities for energy-saving programs. Products. They offer water-saving, low-flow, fixed and handheld shower heads, commonly featuring a GPM, gallons per minute, flow rate and chrome finishes. Partnerships. Greenlite often distributes these products through major utilities such as PSE&G and Xcel Energy.